The 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan Scram has been recently spied during TVC shoot in Goa. On the looks, it's basically a stripped down version of the Himalayan with some soft touches. Just quit all those off-road essential kits, add some cosmetic details, and now we get the Scram 411. Visually, the Scram misses the front track, one of the distinctive part of Himalayan, and in place is a small tank shroud with some graphics. The high-mounted windshield, which is replaced by body-colored plastic headlight surrounds, no raised front fenders, and the rear quits the luggage rack where a proper pillion grab rail is placed. The turn indicators look slightly repositioned below. Also looks like the front wheel gets a size reduction, likely to 19 inches from 21-inch Himalayan units. So visually, this will be the maximum distinguishing effort to differentiate this Scrambler from Himalayan, and will be offered in multiple contrast color options, which will add some unique to the Scrambler from Himalayan. Expect new speedo unit with triple navigation similar to what we have seen in the recently launched Meteor and Classic 350. Will be driven by the same 411cc motor, putting out 24.3 bhp power and 32 Nm of torque made to a 5-speed gearbox. We also expect Royal Enfield will tune the suspension setup to give a more smooth riding experience than the Himalayan. While its official launch date is yet to be announced, the model is reported to see a release on February 2022, with the price range expected to start around 1.9 lakh, which is almost 10,000 dearer to 2 lakh rupees. Thanks for watching.